What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. This is going to be a full bathroom remodel. The prices in California are just simply disgusting right now. This house, this shower, this bathroom that I will show you momentarily was recently purchased for $805,000. Very old house, all original. Just wait until you see this bathroom that is inside a house that was just purchased, like I said, for $805,000. Just simply crazy. But we're gonna make the bathroom look pretty, make the shower look pretty. So without further ado, let's pack up the van with our demo tools, get over to the job site, and get going with our gym membership workout. And here it is, ladies and gentlemen. We will delete the valve, install a new valve, install a shower head, glass subway going up on the back wall, a different color of glass subway going up on the side walls, with a recessed shampoo niche in the back. New floor, new vanity. Plaster. Okay guys, everything is going along smoothly. Demo is nearly complete. We needed to protect the tub a little better because we are removing plaster. We were hoping this would be drywall, but it is very old plaster, which is very messy for demo. But let me show you what we have so far. This is the original tub. It is cast iron. It is in good shape, so our client wanted to keep the tub in place. We have plumbed our new valve. We're gonna have to really address the framing in this house. Nothing is flat, nothing is plumb. Here is the remainder of the wall we need to remove. We have plaster here and plaster here. So we will remove these walls. We will address the framing. More than likely, we will sister out the studs, install our backer board, and of course, waterproof via Schluter. So let's get right to it. Move right along here. The floor has been removed. So yeah, again, this is going to be installation for a floor, a vanity, a lighted mirror, tile on the walls. We are installing glass subway tiles. Let's show you quickly here. This glass will be installed on the two side walls. This wall as well as the valve wall. This green glass will be installed on the back wall here. And we will be installing in and around the niche our white glass to complement the left and right sides of this shower. It's gonna look great, it's gonna look beautiful. A full glass tub surround build. Here we go. Okay, here we go, guys. Time to install our glass herringbone tile on the back wall. And here we are, moving right along. Shower is prepped via Schluter, all waterproofed, tub surround. Our floor tile is installed, Dietra underneath. Everything is coming along very quickly and smoothly. We are having a bit of an issue cutting these 3x6 glass tiles with our Porter cable. Doing a little bit of chipping, so we're just gonna set up the full-size D36000 with a Bosch glass blade. So let's get this set up. Glass herringbone. Oh boy, is this just my favorite layout and type of tile to install. Let's do it.